and was painfully trampled by its prey. It fights because of its area. The predator was fiercely attacked and died painfully from its prey. What bearing a tiger is, it has weaknesses and fears. It climbs a tree to reach the monkey. It was the first time I saw its frightened appearance. The monkey was extremely calm and confident because he was so used to climbing. It looked at the tiger with a challenging expression. In the end, the tiger also failed. It fell off the tree branch and fell to the ground. What a shameful hunt. Defeat skilled predators. Porcupine feathers pierce the leopard's skin. The